Hey guys, if you're wondering how you can convert your article to different formats, or in other words, you can repurpose your blog post. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you 9 different ways, websites that enable you to transform your blog post to beautiful assets completely for free. So now let's get started. And the first one, here you can convert your blog post to beautiful digital item or a digital guide. And you can do that using Gamma.app, one of the best AI platforms out there to convert your blog post or your piece of content to beautiful digital product or presentation and so on. So here you can land on this amazing website, bring your ideas to life, sign up for free, then you head over to this dashboard where you can paste your text. It could be your whole blog post or just add a prompt or from URL or a link of your blog post. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you quickly that I can use this one, import file or URL. It allows you to upload your file. It could be PDF or Word or PowerPoint, even Google Slides or from URL. So if you go to this one, import from URL, here you can insert the link of your blog post, like this one, some of these blog posts. And I can get this one quickly, copy link address and go to gamma.app, insert here this URL, import. Then you have different options. Either you can convert this blog post to a presentation, web page or landing page, or a document or a digital item, just in today's video, or social post. So you can select this one, document, and continue to convert it to a masterpiece digital item. And for example, this one here, this amazing presentation or this digital item regarding how it can swim faster, as you see. Beautiful images, bullet points, tables, tips and tricks, do's and don'ts, and so on. And for sure, completely for free. And of course, you can play around here just by adding some buttons, clickable buttons where you can promote your affiliate products, digital items, and so on. Then you can export this amazing digital item as a PDF as you want. So this website is Gamma app to convert and transform your blog post to beautiful digital product. And the upcoming website that you can convert your blog post to beautiful presentation or podcast. So we can use this amazing website that is Genspark.ai. Here, amazing platform and AI super agent. It enables you to convert your idea, your thought, your blog post to beautiful formats, including AI slides, sheets, documents, quotes, websites, images, videos, and so on. And of course, I just talked about this amazing website in details. You can find this video down below in the description box and the first comment. So you can use Genspark to transform your own blog post to beautiful formats, such as sheets or podcast and so on. So as for podcast here, you can use this amazing website as well to convert this blog post talking about this 7 money saving tips. Then you can find this amazing podcast. Just listen.
Welcome to Smart Money Moves, where we break down big financial ideas into small, manageable steps. I'm Alex.
And I'm Ben. In today's world, it can feel like
As you see, 2 speakers in this amazing podcast completely for free. And now let's move on to the next website and the next way to convert your blog post. That is by transforming your article to beautiful mind map or a podcast. And just by using this amazing website, notebooklm.google. Here it's a branch from Google, enables you to transform your idea, your articles as you like for free. So here you can sign up for free using your Gmail. Then here you can try Notebook.lm. Then it's time to just create new notebook. Then it's time now to insert here your source, even from Google Drive or its link just from website or a YouTube video, or paste here your piece of content. So if you have a link of your own website or article, like this one for example, talking about the how you can survive tornado, so I can get this link and go back to our Notebook LM. It would be like this. Take the summary of this amazing blog post, Then you can select this one, audio overview, to generate a podcast, or you can select this one, mind map, to generate a mind map of this amazing article to be more digestible and convey its message quickly and in easier way. You can convert this article to beautiful explainer video using this option, and it would be outstanding and you would be amazed. And as for this explainer video, you can find this example. Stunning result here.
Let's talk about something incredibly serious: tornadoes. They are, without a doubt, one of nature's most powerful.
As you see. Or you can convert it simply into mind map like this one, just in a few seconds here. Then you can find it like this one, as you see. So branches here to more explanation. Perfect. Amazing. And for sure, just select this language is Spanish. So for sure, you can make a setting as in English or Arabic, Hindi as you want. In these settings, so you can change its output language to your own favorite language. So this website enables you to convert your blog post to mind maps, explainer video, interviews, and so on. Next website and the next way to repurpose your article to beautiful short video. Yes, just by using this amazing website, revad.ai. Splendid website enables you to convert anything literally to anything else. Here, if you go to this one, free AI video tools, you can find various tools to convert your blog post, piece of content, audio to beautiful formats, as you see in these examples. So you can sign up here for free and select this template to convert your article to short video. Then it could be like this one. I'll just convert the blog post that explains how you can save money in different 7 steps. Here you can find this video.
Treat your savings like a bill you have to pay. Set up an automatic transfer to pay yourself first, even if it's small. Then go cancel those subscriptions you don't actually.
Amazing, isn't it? And for sure, I illustrated this amazing website in details. You can find this video down below in the description box in the first comment. So you've got to check all these videos down below. And an upcoming way to convert and repurpose your article is by converting it to beautiful video for YouTube channel and so on. And that I just recommend you to go to Pictory.ai. Enables you in its recent update convert your article and your blog post or piece of content to beautiful and outstanding video, as you see. So here you can sign up for free, insert your blog post or URL, then click over generate your video, and for sure the result would be amazing. And the next website here to convert and repurpose your blog post is by converting it to beautiful carousel post for sharing it in social media and so on. For that, you can use this amazing tool, RemoCarousel. Here you can convert your blog post, whether the content or its URL. So here you can go to RemoCarousel and set here your own URL. Then here you can find set your preferences like your website name, choose your logo, select your font, or upload an external font as you want, choose your language, add a call to action, and so on. Then generate your slides. And the result here, as you see. So you can find this amazing carousel post to promote your article, to get more traffic, leads, and so on. And the upcoming way to repurpose your article is by converting it to beautiful infographics. And for that, you can use this amazing website, infography.n. Here you can turn your blogs into stunning, shareable infographics. Then sign up for free and insert here the URL of your blog post. Then the result would be like this one. Perfect. 7 steps to save money and reduce costs. Illustrations here, numbers, perfect. And the best, here you can edit your own infographic prior to download it, as you see, just changing the fonts, make it bigger, smaller as you want. And the upcoming way to repurpose your blog post is by generating illustrations and visuals from it smoothly and for free. And for sure, one of the best websites out there, that is napkin.ai. Get visuals from your text. Here you can sign up for free, get napkin free, then go to this new napkin, and here you can import from file, PDF or documents, or blank napkin to copy paste your content or draft with AI. And for sure here you can insert your prompt, or simply and with a tricky way, here you can go like here and insert your URL of your blog post. Then it would scrap it from your own URL like this one. Then it's time now to convert each paragraph to beautiful illustration, or the whole one to beautiful and condensed illustration. So here, for example, you can select this one, create a budget, and here you can find this signal icon, click over it. Then napkin.ai just analyzes this amazing paragraph to generate beautiful visual that represents and reflect the meaning of this paragraph, like this one as you see. And for sure you can actually select different styles, colors as you observe. Perfect. You can change anything you want, color, font, export it different formats, and the upcoming way to repurpose your article by converting it to beautiful voiceover. And for sure I just recommend you to use 11 Labs in its beautiful update. And the next way here, you can go to this amazing tool, that is infographics.app, to transform your blog post to different formats like family tree, flowchart, and so on for free. So here you can go to get started. Then you insert your topic here from your blog post. Then you can find here different formats to convert this piece of content to hierarchy, timeline, list, SWOT analysis, process, mind map, family tree, questions, answers, part chart, by chart, and so on. And for sure, like these examples, then you can download it as you want for free. So you can repurpose your blog posts to different formats and visual ways. So now you got different ways to transform your article to different formats. And for sure you can use ChatGPT and Gemini and so on. For sure to convert this blog post to different pieces, chunks, like for scraps, like you can convert to different tweets, hashtags as you like. You can find all these URLs down below in the first comment and the description box. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.